Hi guys, this is Rajkumar Nagpal, a professional teacher. Welcome to my channel Shiksha Mantra. In my last videos, I have told about primary classes, solutions, informations and tips, and then middle classes, tips, informations and solutions regarding the children who are in primary classes and middle classes. Then I told something about secondary classes also, but I think so there is no need to tell much about senior secondary classes, as the senior secondary classes the students are very well aware of them, very well aware of their subjects, so there is nothing to say much about that. But I am very well aware that many students don't go for higher classes, don't want to go for higher classes, and want to have some professional skills, some technical skills in which they can do very well. Yes guys, I am here to tell you about professional skills and some renowned colleges, renowned institutes from which you can fulfill your dreams definitely. In whole India there are so many institutes, so many universities, but I will talk about Delhi only. In Delhi there are many renowned institutes from which the students can have their professional courses, technical courses, but I will tell you the most famous institute regarding girls and boys. One of the famous institutes is YWCA, that is Young Women's Christian Association, Young Women's Christian Association, YWCA. The girls can do their courses, their technical courses, their professional courses after 12th, and YWCA is providing 33 courses in 12 streams. I must tell you girls, if you want to have best courses, want to choose best courses among 33, you can choose according to your interest. I am going to provide you the name of some courses. 1. Beauty culture. 2. Fashion designing. 3. Interior decoration. 4th, computer software, and 5th, animation. 6th, aviation. So many more. But among these subjects there is also science, arts, and media in which you can do regarding media, TV. You can connect to TV, you can connect to journalism, you can connect to other media sources like newspapers, etc., etc. So this is the institute which was established in 1912, I think, and in last so many years it's doing very well and providing the best skill to their students, and providing the placement services also, placement to the students also. So the students who can afford the money to these skill courses, they can do these courses from this institute. This is in Ashoka Road, Knott Place, and you can get the information by purchasing brochure from the institute. It's a offline process. It's not the online process. It's a totally offline process. You have to go to the institute, YWCA, Ashoka Road, Connaught Place, and you can get the information regarding 33 courses, and you can choose one among them. There are some diploma and certificate courses also. In diploma, there is beauty culture, fashion designing, and computer course. And in certificate courses, there is ticketing and airport. That is, ticketing and airport course is 5 months duration. Beauty culture, fashion designing courses are of 1 year duration, and diet and health related courses 6 months duration. So if you can afford the money, that is between 30,000 to 60,000, 40,000 around. Some courses are for some courses you have to give 30,000, 22,000, 45,000, 60,000. Then you can have 1 year or 6 month or 5 month courses. 5 month courses is the health and nutrition, health diet and nutrition courses. That is of 5 month duration. Air and ticketing, that is of 6 month duration. All other are diploma courses, that is of 1 year duration. So girls, what are you looking for? Start contacting the institute staff and get the admission in your favorite trade, in your favorite course, and become a professional. After doing that, you can have your studies along with your professional course from the correspondence or from like MDU, from correspondence in DU, and many other universities. Now I must talk about boys. As I have told about YWCA, the same is here, YMCA. That was Young Women's Christian Association. It's Young Men Christian Association. It's for boys. This YMCA is offering more than 100 courses to the students who passed 12th and interested in doing courses from YMCA. The YMCA provides the courses like business management, financial management, marketing, TV production, and filmmaking, and interior decoration, beauty culture, computer programming, and much more. So boys, you must contact to the concerned authorities. It is in Connaught Place near Jantar Mantar, or you can say near Patel Chowk Metro Station, Connaught Place. You can contact the authorities. It's an offline process totally, guys. You have to visit there, purchase the brochure having the application form, and you can fill the application form and submit it to the authorities, to the concerned authorities, to the concerned staff, and you can get admission in the YMCA. Along with that, what I have told you, the courses, there are many courses that already I have told you, more than 100 courses are available to the boys. Like there are office management also, and other management courses, and so many courses are available. I have told you about that. So guys, what are you looking for? go to the institute, purchase the brochure, fill the form and get the admission. The students who want to study furthermore, who want to take higher studies, I will talk to them in my coming videos definitely regarding admission in DU or in other universities, renowned universities, famous universities in Delhi, in UP, in Haryana or in other states. So in my coming videos I am coming with the name of the universities, the duration of the courses, because many universities also provides BBA, BBE, BCA and other courses along with subjects courses, arts, science and commerce subjects. Along with that, I must tell you about CMA, CS, CA courses also provided by the concerned authorities. I will tell you about these courses also in my coming videos definitely. And other professional courses, I have told you there are many institutes are providing, like NIT. It's providing software courses in computers, and there is a NIFT, National Institute of Fashion Designing. It provides the courses make perfect the guys in fashion designing. It provides also beauty culture and some other courses, in my opinion, in my experience. So guys, don't waste time, just have the inquiries, go to the institute and take the admission and become a good professional. My best luck to you, and have a pleasant day today, as my wishes is always with you. Have a pleasant day and have a pleasant week ahead with you, with others, with your parents, with all your colleagues. You will enjoy by talking on phone, by talking on other resources like that. So thank you guys. If you like my video, if you like my opinion regarding the professional courses provided by institutes, YWCA, YMCA to the students, to you, then you can subscribe my channel. You must subscribe my channel and like my channel and press the bell icon if you liked it. By heart, the information provided to you is definitely good. If you think so, then press the subscribe button for my channel, and I will continue providing you many more in my future videos, in my upcoming videos definitely. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant day today. Have a pleasant day. Thank you so much.